These days, people prefer to have a prefabricated home rather than a traditionally built house. No doubt it is a cost-effective option, construction is completed within a short period, predictable in terms of expense, and requires no hard labor. Here is a list of our top-picked prefabricated homes. Nestron. Nestron homes are a new generation of tiny living. The house is entirely prefabricated, and it comes with its own complete set of elegant furniture. From the outside, the Nestron Smart Home has a sleek and clean view. The prefabricated house is well equipped with all the necessary accessories required in a home. It features a standard kitchen, living room, and a hidden projector you can always access at your convenience. What do you think about the hallway? Smooth, right? With this prefab home, you are privileged to have a stunning bath and toilet as well as a standard guest room area furnished with all necessities. Your guest would be thinking of paradise all night. Take a look at the master bedroom. It is indeed the master room of the house. It has a killer view. You might want to opt for having this prefabricated home for your next house. Cover. The cover was designed with lots of innovative thought to bring about what seems impossible. Attention was paid to every minute detail of the house so you can have a home that is 100% ready and flawless. Cover was engineered to perfection by creative minds coming together as one. It was built with precision fabrication, which means there's no need to cover up seams and gaps, giving you a modern, clean, aesthetic look and feel. Anywhere you look in this home has nothing but crisp, perfect lines. Having a home with stunning lights gives more pleasure and comfort when you stick around it. The true floor-to-ceiling windows flood your space with natural light, which provides you with a sense of spaciousness and connection with your property and its environment. Also, it features beautiful built-ins such as sustainably manufactured bamboo cabinet, so you can maximize your livable space and have more areas to yourself. With Cover, you get enough space, elegance, and appliances you can tailor to suit your family's needs. Catalina. Catalina is a tiny, modern house that measures 317 square feet with 207 square feet on the main floor and 110 square feet between the lofts. It comes with its own fully insulated home appliance and furniture with a bright, airy interior. In this prefabricated home, there are 2 bedroom lofts, one with storage stairs and the other you can access with a ladder. The bathroom features a double vanity, full-size tub, and macerating toilet. And the kitchen features full-size stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, freestanding propane range, and dishwasher. Several butcher block counters, a gray backsplash, and white cabinetry give the kitchen a modern finish. Looking at the floor made with hardwood gives you an artistic aura. Let's talk about the exterior. It combines a clean white siding with a wood accent and black trim, as well as an outer storage box that sits over the trailer tongue. Hanamobo Container Homes. Hanamobo is a factory-built home constructed with rigid steel. There are a series of homes that are meticulously designed for extreme durability, efficiency, and with the perfect size for modern living. It has an exterior that looks so smooth and luxurious. Like others, it comes with its own built-in furniture, home appliances, and some technologically inclined fixtures to make life easier for its occupants. The kitchen, bath, and toilet have modern finishes that invariably keep up with trends. The floor plans were designed and fixed with defined options for finishes and furniture upgrades. I guess I can say this is enough choice to make your home suit you without slowing down the momentum of a factory build. Hanamobo has predictable unit costs and a timeline that's perfect. Able Nook. Able Nook is a flat-packed, side-assembled prefab home built from aircraft-grade aluminum structural framing that slides or snaps together with SIPs, or structural insulated panels, for floors, walls, and roofs. Able Nook can be deployed anywhere and even on uneven terrain through the use of built-in adjustable leg jacks. This feature assists in cutting out the costs that would have been incurred for laying foundations or leveling grounds. Able Nook's proprietary technology and simplicity of connections make assembly a task that any able-bodied person can accomplish without the need for tools and within a short time. The prefab genuinely looks down to earth from the exterior to the interior and the fixtures it comes with. While these can be referred to as tiny houses, the sizing options are truly infinite and can flex to suit your needs. The Mountain Refuge. The Mountain Refuge was designed as an intelligent, fully off-grid solution to give it the ability to provide you with hot water, electricity, heat, and waste disposal. This prefab home will infinitely offer you a space where you can enjoy the most beautiful places in the world. It was prefabricated with a wood construction system to allow each module to have an independent structure, giving freedom of configuration and extension. The Mountain Refuge is almost entirely utilizing premium and natural materials in a sustainable process to minimize waste, transport complexities, and on-site labor. Any dream place you would love to be with your smart home, extreme locations, or a beautiful one, the Mountain Refuge was designed and built with high adaptation to any site. The cabin provides a complete turnkey solution from foundations to transport and assembly. You'd definitely get the worth of your money with the Mountain Refuge. Microhome. The Microhome is the first foldable and hence really mobile modular house that can be comfortably lived in all year round. It can be set up within a very short time and, if necessary, taken back and brought to another location with just one transport. All this is thanks to the folding mechanism incorporated in it. As a smart home, the Microhome can be equipped with house control, alarm systems, turnkey solutions if requested, and many other valuable tools. With a Microhome, a lot becomes easier to build, more pleasant living. The Microhome fulfills your desire for a modern, uncomplicated, and mobile modular house. It features unique technology and ecological timber construction due to the sustainable use of wood and building materials to ensure energy values that protect the environment and your wallet as well. I hope this video provides you with detailed information that can help you decide on your next choice of prefab home. Share your thoughts in the comments section below and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.